Step 1. Make sure area is safe. Step 2. Check for response. Firmly shake the person's shoulder and loudly ask if they are okay. Step 3. Call 999. If the person is unconscious and not breathing or not breathing normally, start CPR. Step 4. If there is someone with you, ask them to find a defibrillator. Step 5. Start the chest compression with the heel of your hand in the center of their chest. Press down smoothly and firmly at a rate of 2 per second. Step 6. Use a defibrillator as soon as you can. Follow its instruction carefully while you continue to give CPR.